Alright, so in this segment, we're going to open up one of our online orders from GP Mini Auto. So let's go ahead and open it. See if I can open it without. See if I can get a good clean cut. Ooh, we have a premium order. Let's see. It's a it's a sealed modern class. Oh, sorry. Is this a climb thrillers? Oh, not sure what. Yeah, I think this is the climb cleaners, trail climbers, with this code. And so I ordered the box. So let's go ahead and open it. I'm excited to find if we do get a chase or not. So let's go ahead and open it. I don't want to pick through it. I don't want to. Let's see if I can do a blind pick from this box. So as you can see, it's single tape, direct from the directly from the factory. It's not double-sided tape. So let's go ahead and open it. Dun, dun, dun. Directly from Mattel, City of Industry. All right, let's open it. I don't want to. All right, let's slowly open this guy to see if I don't want to. Let's do a random pick. Okay, let's see. Are we gonna get something good? Oh, let's pick one. Okay, we have that one already. Oh, it's a power trip. All right, there's two Mercedes. Are we gonna get a gold? What's next? It's one black Ford. Let's see if it's true that if you get two black Fords, there's no chase. If there's one black Ford, there's a chase. Ah, there is no chase. Well, let's see if there's a chase or not. One Mustang, another Mustang, Trackhawk. That's that. Let's see what we have. Another Trackhawk. Let's see if we can put this. Some say if you have one of the Beamers replaced the chase. I think these are both green, so there's your green one. So this, I would assume it's not a chase. Yeah, see? They didn't get a chase. It's empty. No chase. Ugh. Oh well. Luck of the draw. I should not have. I forgot that I bought a box of this power trip, and we went to the wild to get it. Ah, man. That's why you whatchamacall this? It's better to just order online and instead of going to it's random, so it's not we're not expecting anything else. There's no. You would hope that there is a chase, but there isn't. Oh well, we didn't get a chase. There's two black Fords in there. My theory would have been justified, or would have been validated if there's only one Ford truck, but we will never. Well, based on what I've seen on the wild, it's always the Blackforts are always the one that are gone first. So, but we didn't get lucky this time. So that's that. We didn't get it. We didn't get it. We didn't get it. We didn't get a chase. Oh well. Let's put it back. I hope I don't mess it up. Man, that is tight. Wow. This thing is back. We're putting it back. Ugh. And there you have it. We didn't get a chase. Oh well. Till the next box. Alright, so we're going to open up another box. So this is not a sponsored box, so I'm not gonna publish their name publicly. So let's go ahead and open it. Dun dun dun. Let's see what we got. Oh, I don't want to show them who they are. It has a protector. I see. What do I see? Ta-da! It's the Power Trip. It's the Power Trip M3 Gold. So I guess, like I said, you know, we didn't get lucky in opening the box, so I decided to buy the gold itself. You know, I was pretty sure I wasn't gonna see this in the wild, but you know, I just had to try and buy it, you know, from an online store, and this is what I got. So this is what I missed on that one of the hunts that I got is this Power Trip M3 Gold. So now that I have it, I have a complete set, including this gold with the box that I just opened. So this would complete the set that I have, including the chase. I mean it's good that they came up with the protector. Like I said, this is not a sponsored box, so I'm not going to show who they are or where I got this box from, but it's an online store. And there you have it. I have completed. I didn't see this in a while, and this is the one that got away from me. When I guess if you've been watching my video, this is the one that got away, and twice. It got away twice. So I was pretty sure I was not going to find it again, so I decided to get buy it individually. And there you have it. I know. You're gonna ask me, how much did I pay? Well, again, it's a good deal. So I'm pretty. It's the lowest that I've seen this chase. I mean, I've scoured the net. It's the lowest ones that I've seen from them. So I had to take it. I had to get it, and you know, I just had to get it. And again, like I said, it's the lowest one that I saw. So there you have it. I got one, so it's not. I know it's not from the wild, but it's a long shot for me to see it in the wild. I mean, if I do see it, I'll post it in this video or in the videos. Okay, so we are opening up another box that we got from the mail. So let's go ahead and open it. And let's see what we have. Now, like I said, I have a lot of boxes that I ordered online only because I couldn't find them, or it just wasn't worth my while to some more old castings. Let's see. I think I'm not sure what this is. Oh, this one I think is a model art. I think one of those buildings that I got again. So we're gonna build this little house. It's a Japanese candy house. I don't know why it's blurry. Oh, that's weird. See if I can focus it. Yeah, it's a Japanese candy house.